What is developer mode on Xbox One and how do I enable it?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore an exciting feature of your Xbox One console, developer mode. This powerful tool can turn your console into a development kit and allow you to test and create games right from the comfort of your home. So, let's dive in.
What is developer mode on Xbox One?
Developer mode on Xbox One is a unique setting that converts your retail Xbox One console into a development kit. By enabling this mode, you get access to the Xbox Live Creators Program, allowing you to develop, test, and publish games directly to Xbox Live. However, remember that while in developer mode, you won't be able to play any retail games or apps until you switch back to retail mode.
What are the prerequisites for activating developer mode?
Before you begin, make sure you have 1. An Xbox One console connected to the internet. 2. A Microsoft account. If you don't have one, visit Microsoft's website to sign up. 3. The Dev Mode Activation app. This can be downloaded from the Xbox One store.
How to enable developer mode on Xbox One?
Let's get down to the actual process. Here's a step-by-step guide to turning on developer mode. 1. Sign in to your Xbox One console with your Microsoft account. 2. Navigate to the Xbox One store and download the Dev Mode Activation app. 3. Launch the app and select Next to view the activation code. 4. On a PC, go to the Microsoft Partner Center, partner.microsoft.com/n-us/dashboard/home/, and sign in with your Microsoft account. 5. Follow the prompts to register for a developer account. This process will require you to accept the Microsoft Developer Agreement. 6. Once registered, select Create a new app, and then enter activation code. 7. Input the activation code from your Xbox One and select Activate. 8. Back on your Xbox One, select Switch and Restart to enable developer mode. Remember, you need to switch back to retail mode to play retail games or apps. And that's how you enable developer mode on your Xbox One console. It's a fantastic tool for aspiring game developers or those who want to tinker around with the capabilities of their console. Remember to switch back to retail mode when you're done experimenting. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep exploring and happy gaming!